Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a run command not saving history Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. Let's get started. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows and go to your privacy and security and go to your journal. Now you can turn on the let Windows improve start and search result by tracking a app launch. Turn on it and close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type registry editor. Open registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening the registry editor, select a current control set and expand it. Select a software and expand it. Find out and select a Microsoft and expand it. Select the Windows, scroll down and find out Windows. Now here is the Windows. Select the Windows and expand it. After that, select a current version and expand it. After that, scroll down and find out Explorer and expand it. After that, select the advanced, right click new and select a default 32-bit value and set a name is start underscore track doc. Open it and set a value data is 1. Click on OK button and close it. Close the registry editor. Close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.